Here we'll talk about how to search in Prosper View. There are two places where you can search. Here you can search for an address or a place in the left panel, and here in the bottom panel you can search all of these fields at once for pretty much any data that is in any of these fields. It's another way to find a record or to sort information. So let's say we want to find all special trade contractors in industry. You can just type special trade and that will pull all of them up. And if you also want to see the search return in the list in the left panel, the bottom panel tab that is closest to the left panel is the one that will populate data in that left panel. So to change that, come up here to the hamburger menu in the top right corner and left click on lead and mouse over and just drag it up to the top. And there you see it'll switch, so leads are now next to the left panel and your search is populated here. Let's just, for the fun of it, search for something else. So I can see the name Chris. Let's see if there's anybody else named Chris. And as you can see, it will bring up first name, last name, anything in that field. If you can also use it, say I want to call all warm leads. So you can type warm and that will pull all of them up. If you have the word warm in any company names or people's names, that may also pull up. You can also search for locations and places. They can be actual addresses. They can be cities. We want to hop over to San Francisco. You can click around all over the country and jump around in this way. Very easy. Let's choose Miami, Florida. It's a really fast way to hop around the map.